Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust or increase the bass on your Windows 10 headphones. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do here is just go and open up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time, type in control panel. Best result, should come back with control panel. Go ahead and left click on that. Set your view by to large icons, and then you want to select sound. So whether it's a playback device or a recording device, just want to go ahead and select, let's just say, your speakers here, and just would select that by left clicking on it. And then you want to select properties down here. Select the Enhancements tab, and you can go ahead and select Equalizer or Bass Boost, as you see in my case right here. And you can also adjust the settings as well. And you can adjust the frequency as well as boost level. So again, pretty straightforward. And if you end up wanting to preview, you can just select the preview button. And you can always restore back to defaults by selecting this button right here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.